So with the Galaxy Watch 8 series, Samsung introduced a new health feature called Antioxidant Index. It basically tells you how well your body is fighting off stress, pollution, and even aging. In simple terms, the Antioxidant Index measures the level of antioxidants in your body which are essential for protecting your cells from damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. A higher score generally means your body is better equipped to handle oxidative stress, while a lower score could indicate that you might need better nutrition or lifestyle changes. In this video, I'll show you how to measure Antioxidant Index on Galaxy Watch. It is pretty simple. Just swipe all the way to the left on the home screen and tap on the Add Tiles button. Now, open the Nutrition tab and select the Antioxidant Index. Now that it's added to the Tiles section, let's measure the antioxidant level. Swipe here, tap on OK, and the measurement has started. As you can see, the lights on the sensors are all turned on. To measure, you have to press your thumb firmly on the sensors right here. It shows my antioxidant level very low at 39, which is alright I guess because I am currently suffering from typhoid. As for the accuracy, I don't think it's very accurate as it only measures the skin carotenoid levels, which does not account for all the antioxidants in your body. So while the Galaxy Watch can measure skin carotenoid with good accuracy, it does not offer medical grade accuracy. And honestly, why would it? Samsung clearly positions this as a wellness and fitness feature, it's not for diagnosis. The goal here is to give you general insights and encourage healthier habits like improving your diet or taking better care of your body. And for many people, even that small nudge can make a real difference. And that's it for this one. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.